guys, that's me again, and I hope you have holiday mood recently because Christmas is really close already. Today I would show you how to make a pouch for your Christmas tags. I use die cuts and punches for our Christmas tags, so they already pre-made. So anyway, here I have tags of 3 sizes. So here on this sheet I try to explain how I construct my pouch. So I measure all 3 sizes of my tags. And width of my pouch would be same as the width of the biggest one, so it's 2 1/4 inch. Middle section should be the same size as the biggest tag, so it's 4 1/4 and extra 3 inches on both sides. So length of my pouch would be 10 1/4. Your pouch size would depend on the size of your tags, so it would be different for every person. Here I construct the envelopes for tags, so I put extra 1 1/4 inch for width of each tag to make small pockets for them. This is how it would look. I use double-sided paper, so I don't need to think about inside. Here I colored the edges of all my prepared pieces. And using scoring board, I make a scoring. I score 4 1/4 in the middle and 1/2 inch worth of scoring in both sides, so it would be more mobile. Here I score 1/4 inch and 2 times 1/8 inch in each pocket. And then I just bond them accordion style, so it won't be flat and could accommodate dimensional tags easily. And now I glue each of my pockets on top, like smallest on top of the biggest one, and just clean glue residue. And then the glue is dry, I just clean it and put a little bit more inks. And then I put my pockets inside my pouch, gluing the biggest pocket. So here I choose embellishments and I use tiny but very strong magnets to create magnet closure for my pouch. Then I try how my tags would be look inside. So I'm really happy with the result. They all go inside very easily and have enough room. So then I put second magnet and try to figure out the right position for it so it won't be crooked and closed, and I put embellishment on top. Here I try to choose which design I prepare in inside part. And I choose this small bird on ice. I put a little bit extra glue on the magnet so it would fit better. And I clean residue and color the edges. And to make it a little bit more festive, I decide to embellish inside part too. And do the same thing basically here too. So now we have the pouch with magnet closure and all our tags go inside very well. So you can use this pouch as a present itself, or you can put instead of tags small cards or gift cards. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please sign up for my channel and I will see you soon with more Christmas tutorials. See you, bye!